You can create AI videos from text in 2 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is Genmo. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is Genmo? Straight from the source, Genmo is a research lab dedicated to building open, state-of-the-art models for video generation towards unlocking the right brain of AGI. Create high-quality videos with Machi. In plain words, it lets you create AI videos from text without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes Genmo worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, open world models. On top of that, Machi 1, a new soda in open text-to-video. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with Genmo. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Founding product designer. GPU performance engineer. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the Genmo website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and Genmo does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 2 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to create AI videos from text with Genmo in 2 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.